It's a 14 with a CDC shaker, headers, and our Novi 2200 package. Let's get to it. Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. A lot of you ask, hey, I have 11 to 14 Mustang. I'm looking for 600 rear wheel horsepower. So I thought today would be a good day to show you a really easy way to achieve that with our Novi 2200 Stage 3 Brenspeed package. Check out the dyno pole, then I'll come back and tell you all about it. Before we take a look at the engine compartment, basically the awesome supercharger, check it out right here. This is at 7,100, 623 to the tires, and torque was 488. Peak torque at about 5,300 RPMs. Now it's SAE on our dyno jet, but this is a nice 2014 Mustang. It has 40,000 miles. I have Doug here with me. We're gonna go up look at the engine compartment, but it's a clean car. So hey, I will put links in the description about this supercharger kit. You can read more about it, of course, and then don't forget, you want something like this installed, just email quote@brenspeed.com. It's that easy. But this is the black, so they come in satin polished or the black, which I like this right here, Novi 2200. Our package includes the JLT induction system. You're also going to get a set of Kohler spark plugs, a booster pump, and of course the proper calibration. This vehicle is running 93 octane pump gas. A lot of you always ask that, but this is available for any premium fuel. So if you have questions about this, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer, but it's a really nice 14, and the price on this package is pretty good, so check out the description, all the links so you can see what it costs. We do have free shipping in the 48 states. That's all for today. And again, like I said, leave a comment, I'll answer. Thank you.